Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue with our Forex EA automation tutorial. So feel free to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. So today we're going to be talking about structs, includes, and reusable logic. All right, guys. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about structs, which is short for structures, includes, and reusable logic. So let's head on back to MT5 and keep it going. Um, so today we're going to continue with the simple EA project that we started with. So what are structures or structs for short? So basically a structure is a user-defined data type that allows you to group together different variables under one name. So think of it like an object, like you, for example, in programming sense, like your name, your age, your height, those are all like properties of you basically. So a structure is like an entity that has different properties that you can use to help it structure your data types properly and makes it easier to work with. So that's what we're going to be creating. So let's start off with a new, let's just use a new EA. Alrighty, let's take this off. All right, so how do we define structure? So it's similar to how we define inputs. They can be outside in a global space. So you need to just define this struct and then give it the name. So you can call it, let's call these positions. So you can give it different data types. So let me just open up some projects that I have and I'll just use that to follow along. So, in a position, what do we have? We have the ID of the position, which is also a ulog data type. So we can put that there. And we have a string, which is a symbol. We also have an enum order type, which is the type of order it is, which could be a buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, etc., etc. So we also have the lots. We also have the open price. Also have the current price. Could use this to track. Then, let's just add the profit, the swap. Or let's just give it a profit here. So this is the definition of a position in terms of how we want to structure it, right? So this is how we want our structure to be for a position that we open. Okay, good. So that's basically what the structure is. So let's see how we can use this. So let's go to the tick. So we can recall how we created a new order. So let me import. If you don't remember that, please check out my last video. So let's include the trades package and also call the C trade and give it C trade class and give it a variable name of trade. So that's good. All right, so before we continue, some other thing you can do on the structure is to have like a default values when you initialize the structure or when you initialize the structure to use. So we can do position then your parentheses. So what this does is anytime you create a position structure, it will come with this default values. So you could give it an ID of -1 because it doesn't exist. And give the symbol as empty strings. Then what else do we have? The type could be a -1 because it doesn't exist. And we have the lots, that'll be 0.0, open price 0.0, current price, and profits. All right, so to initialize the struct, what we need to do is to call the struct name position and give it a variable. Then we can now do can now initialize other, attributes of that struct. So if we do the ID equals to 1, we do the current price equals to 122.2, and everything you need basically. So that is how you handle the structure. So if I do a print by position, the ID, I'll get a 1. If I do a print by position, that's the current price. It should give me 0.0. So let's test that out real quick. So yeah, structs, test, and that starts. All right, so if you check, we got a 1, we got a 12.2, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's how it works, and that's structs, how structs works for you. So that's how structures work in MQL5. So the next step we need to do is to move this to like an includes type of folder. So to create includes MQL5 is similar to how you would create an EA. So you go to new and you go to includes. So let's do the same YouTube and call it Forex. So finish. Yeah. So you get this file. So you can take all this off. So now what we can do here is to extract all this and paste it all here. All right. So we compile this and we can see that we're getting an error because it's an undeclared identifier. So to resolve this, we need to include that struct includes that we did basically. So if we do an include, we do the YouTube slash structs .mqh. All right. So let's compile and everything just works as is. So right now we can just remove, extract some logic to a different file and reuse it in our EA. So that way it helps us to easily build faster so that we don't have to copy over reusable logics that we built. You can just reuse them for all our EAs and it works across board. So that brings us to the end of the video. So I hope this helps you. Our next video, we're going to start creating an actual EA. So don't worry, I got you. We're going to build a martingale EA in the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe if this helped you. And also my broker is going to be in the description. Check them out. They're very good. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.